Thank you so much for watching Tech Nurse. Today I am going to show you how to fix your taskbar. If all of a sudden your taskbar is too big and fills most of your screen, don't worry. I will show you a simple way to fix it really quickly. You are going to go ahead and take your mouse and hover over right here. You will see your mouse turn into a line with two arrows on either end. You are going to click and drag it down to the bottom where it should be. That should be it. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.